Rejuvenate dry or damaged hair. Finesse Restore plus Strengthen Moisturizing 2in1 Shampoo plus Conditioner leaves dry, damaged, and stubborn hair feeling silky soft and more moisturized. For a simple, one-step haircare process for stronger, more manageable hair. Now with a hair-reviving boost of Camellia Oil and active proteins. Revives hair with a beauty boost of Camellia Oil, rich in omega-9 fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants, plus active proteins, soy, silk, and keratin, the building block of hair. For hair that's healthier, stronger, more alive. Effectively revitalizes dry hair, damaged hair, dull hair, difficult hair or frizzy hair. Finesse products help transform hair so it looks and feels more alive. Finesse hair care for women. Men. Do you want healthy hair, silky hair, moisturized hair, or soft hair? Finesse products will help you improve the look and feel of your hair, while leaving it smelling fresh and clean with our signature fresh scent. Get hair that's healthier, stronger, and more alive with Finesse. Infused with active proteins that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, Finesse Restore plus Strengthen Moisturizing Conditioner leaves hair more moisturized and manageable. It helps restore and strengthen hair that is dry, damaged, frizzy, coarse, or simply stubborn. Hair is left feeling silky and soft while being easier to detangle and easier to style. Top reviews from the United States. Good shampoo for a while family. It's our go-to family shampoo for many years. Seems to work well with all hair types in our family, fairly thin straight. While I wasn't a big fan of 2-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, it's so convenient that I've adopted it to use as an everyday shampoo.